Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining a tight research question and why it matters, then assemble 3 reliable sources so you can validate outputs. Once done, choose an AI tool that fits your workflow, API for automation, chat for iterative brainstorming. Next, set scope. State a hypothesis, target timeframe, and output format to avoid drifting. Make sure to record prompts and versions so you can reproduce findings. That simple traceability speeds later review and prevents wasted effort. You now run experiments with focused prompts and why that matters. Varied phrasing reveals model consistency and gaps. Once you have results, extract structured outputs like tables and concise bullet summaries so synthesis is faster. Make sure to annotate each claim with source checks. Where AI contradicts your references, flag and requery with clarifying context. As you refine, tighten prompts to reduce hallucination and run a short factual validation pass to catch obvious errors before synthesis. You finish by stitching verified findings into a coherent narrative and explaining how conclusions follow from evidence. Once done, produce an executive summary and a short methods note describing prompts, models, and checks so readers can evaluate credibility. If you hit trouble, inconsistent answers, or missing facts, first add more context, then simplify prompts or try a different model. Sometimes small prompt changes fix major issues. Make sure to document what changed so troubleshooting improves future runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.